Hello, YouTube. Big Poppy coming at you. Happy Sunday. Yeah. Big Poppy got him some chicken quarters. We're going to come up with some kind of concoction on them. You're just trying to get them a little dry. Yeah, I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. I know I am. We're going to season these bad boys up a little bit. I got my seasonings here. I got my sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. You know, that's Big Poppy standby. I was going to put some pink salt on it, but I forget a lot of this stuff got salt in it. And you know, another one of my old standbys is paprika. Gonna put that in there. Just shake a little bit in there. Kind of help with the color. Yeah, today is football day. Yep. Everybody that I know that's Eagles fans, they still upset about last week. I knew that coming. I seen that whooping coming. Yeah. And y'all, I'm a Cowboys fan. But I see another whooping coming today. But it's not going to be for the Eagles. You know, people talking about how good Dallas playing. That was black pepper. This is a little garlic. Yeah. Well, you know, they was close on winning the last time. And the Eagles going to be a little tired. Yeah, they tired of y'all talking about them. Dallas going to have to earn that. Come on now. Y'all treating it like it's a walkover. Some people anyway. No damn walkover. The Eagles ain't no joke. I tell you something else. That I think, this is just me, and I don't know nothing about no football. I'm not finna say I'm real versed in football. I played a little bit, but I don't know nothing about how to pick teams and stuff like that. But the Eagles gonna get some payback on San Francisco. Write that down. All right, we're gonna add a little thyme in there. What time is it? Yeah. But I'm hoping Dallas pull it out tonight. I'm not too sure. But I'm hoping they pull it out. Okay. We got all our little seasonings on there. We got thyme. Now I'm going to put this back down here so I can wipe it off. We got thyme. We got garlic, onion powder, my sweet basil and citrus and garlic, black pepper, and some paprika. Okay? We got it all seasoned up here. Now we got us a pan back here. Give me another little paper towel, clean my hand. Got us a little pan back here. I'm hoping this pan is big enough. We're going to find out. We're going to spread this a little bit with some of this avocado oil. I said a little bit, but that's a lot. Yee! Let's go ahead and see if we can get this in here. It's pretty big pieces of meat. I think I can make it fit. That's what I think. I think it's gonna fit by golly. There you go. Get this over here. Yeah, it's a real nice day. I'm looking out at my little garden. My little kale and my collards are trying to grow. So we might be, I can get some of that kale now. Got a little feather right there. I'm trying to get, okay, I got that. Okay, now in here, we got some onion rings that I sliced off, and one medium bell pepper, and we have some sweet peppers. We got 6 of them, 2 each, 2 orange, 2 yellows, and 2 reds. Okay, and I mean it smells oniony too. All right, we're gonna bake this off just a little bit. I should have peeled these onions apart a while ago, but it'll be all right. Just gonna put that on top just like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Step right up, step right up, step right up. Big Papa got that concoction going. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to get one of our chicken bouillon over here. I should have had it soaking already. We're just going to put it in a little water, let it break down a little bit. We'll be back. Okay, fam. I got my tomato stock here with bouillon. And I put some better than bouillon in here with it. Just gonna pour that on there. That's about a cup and I don't know, almost a cup and 3/4. And then we're gonna cover it. We're gonna let that simmer for a little while. We're gonna cover it. Let it steam up a little bit for like 20 minutes. Then we're gonna take the cover off and we're gonna let it cook. And then we're gonna top it all off with another one of my favorites, some tomato soup. How about that? That ought to be a good concoction. I know it's smelling pretty good now. Just gonna cover it up, just like that. We're gonna set it in the oven on the middle rack. I got it going to 350. We're gonna put it on a cookie sheet. And that's all she gonna do. All right. Get this bad boy in the oven. Okay. That's that. Now, again, I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. I'm finna go sit down in here, watch me some football. Now y'all don't be calling me talking about, Big Papa, why you ragging on 49ers? I ain't ragging on nobody. I like the 49ers. I like the Eagles. I like the Cowboys. The Cowboys is my team. I'm sensible though. I know the Cowboys really don't have that much going for them. They ain't really showed me all that much. But like I said, what the heck do I know? Huh? If I knew some things, I'd be a rich man. Because I can predict stuff. Like on how to make some money. All right? So don't send me no texts talking about you hating on this and hating on that, because I'm not doing it. All right, we're going to get back when the chicken is done. Okay, fam, now it is. My chicken. Yeah. Don't it look good? Yep. Gonna have me some greens with it. And I'm gonna break my diet again. I got me some little potatoes that I done whipped up here. See there, I'm gonna have them on the side. But we're gonna let that sit for a minute. We're gonna tin it up. Just let it keep cooking. You can see it's bubbling. I guess you can. Anyway, it just came out the oven. But it looked pretty darn good. I hope it's flavorful. At least the broth is anyway. All right? Again, it ain't how you look in the kitchen. It's how you cook in the kitchen. You ain't gotta look good to cook good. So get on in that kitchen and cook you up something good to eat. Big Papi out.